How many times have you gone to the gas station and you see this thing is ripped off and you can't even use it anyway? We have a truck that has a couple low tires. And I thought, why not teach Callen something that he'll appreciate in like 15 years? Show me how it's done. So this is a battery operated DeWalt air tool. No need to go to the shop and get your air compressor. There's no more of that. This thing fits right in your truck or car. All right, Callen, you can go ahead and take the cap off. And the other thing that's really nice while you do that is what you can do is you can turn this thing on and you can plug it into your tire and it'll tell you exactly how many PSI your tire is at currently. And then we will be able to rotate it to put it to the correct PSI for your tire. Maybe your car doesn't have an indicator inside on the dash to tell you that your tire's low. Maybe you can tell by how squishy it is. But in this case, we'll just have Callen twist it onto the valve stem and then we'll turn it on all the way. When it comes time to determining how much tire pressure you need, you can look on your tire. There's always going to be literature. And here it tells you that there's a max. Do not exceed 44 PSI. So when we type it in, we'll make sure to not exceed that, but we'll also go to the front door and look, and it'll tell us exactly what number we are. Go ahead and hit the power button first, and we're gonna see exactly how many PSI it's registering. So currently, it's registering 31.5. I want you to rotate this all the way to 35. 35. And now, all you have to do is hit the play button.
This one?
Yep. What do you think? It's also really nice from a safety standpoint that you don't have to sit and hold on to the valve stem. Not that it's super common, but tires have exploded before, and that would be incredibly dangerous. How many PSI do you think that's at?
35.
35, because you're an expert, right, my guy? Now we can simply take the hose off the valve stem. Another important tidbit is don't lose the cap. Did you lose the cap already? Where'd you put it? In your pocket. Good. Can you put the cap on, please? What that does is make sure there's no dust that gets in there. You put the hose on it and push the air through there and you get dust in there. Then you can ruin your sensor. We don't want to ruin the sensor, do we? Make sure those are on nice and tight. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.